And welcome back, everybody. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're enjoying our program. Our next guests are holding a healthy bodega eating campaign, and they join us today with all the details. We welcome David Diaz, the Vice President of the Bodega Association USA, and Emma Rodgers, Associate Director at the Bronx Health Reach Institute for Family Health, and Liz Farrell, Huss, Senior Project Manager for Community and Population Health at Montefiore. Welcome, guys, to the show. First time here, right?
Yes.
But that's okay. We're going to have fun. Everybody take a deep breath and tell us all about this healthy eating, healthy living at the bodega.
Sure. The Don't Stress, Eat Fresh Bronx Bodega marketing campaign was launched in 2017 to encourage Bronx residents to purchase healthier foods and vegetables and healthy beverages at their local neighborhood bodega.
Because they had a bad name. You know, bodega synonymous with just potato chips and, you know, foods that are unhealthy and... But now it's a lot better.
Yeah. So the work group is actually working with 53 stores across the borough to increase the availability of healthy, fresh, affordable foods and vegetables. And so again, we've been working these stores, and this campaign is really our commitment to the store owners to increase the demand to purchase those healthier foods.
More money too.
Exactly.
More people coming in. People have been looking for
Business.
healthy eating, healthy living. Yeah. Talk about it. You're the president.
No, I'm the
vice president. Yeah.
Yes. We've been working with Bronx Health Reach for more than 4 years. We commitment to our customers to change the diet, to change the way they eat. I know it's good to have bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yeah.
I
love it.
Take me wrong. But you see our people is getting a lot of disease because the way they eat. So we decide to join this
From
program.
childhood obesity to diabetes.
That's crazy. Yeah, it is.
Lots of degenerative diseases. And you were from Montefiore Hospital?
Yeah. For us, we knew it was really important to involve the community in increasing demand for healthy food in the borough, right? I think nutrition information is changing all the time, and it can be really confusing for folks. So a big part of this campaign was involving young people, parents, and just community members, and asking them, what type of campaign would you like to see to help drive you to a local bodega? And that was really instrumental in working with folks in the community to develop the campaign. We knew we wanted to do something different from a traditional public health campaign, and so we took our cues from commercial marketers. You know, the food and beverage industry spends billions of dollars marketing food to us, and we were trying to, counter that with a campaign that was vibrant and really reflected the Bronx and the history of the Bronx and the important role that bodegas play in the Bronx. And now they can be seen as safe and healthy spaces.
Yeah, because everybody
right?
goes to the bodega.
That's
Let's stop at the bodega.
Everybody has
You
their
can be
bodega
passing
story.
through. I want to stop at the bodega. Wait a minute. Get something healthy.
That's right.
Yeah. So you started this in 2017.
We did.
And the campaign is going to continue on.
Right. So we, the campaign was in certain parts of the Bronx, and what we did, we'd like to expand it to the entire borough. And so we actually applied for funding through the Bronx delegation, so the Bronx City Council members, to expand the campaign to the entire borough.
Discretionary funds?
Yeah, exactly. And so, again, over the last couple of months, we've been meeting with council members at the stores. We've been taking them on visits, showing them, again, the amazing healthy food options available in the stores, and just, again, demonstrating that, again, the food is there. We just got to get the people there. So, again, we're fingers crossed hoping for that support.
Well, we hope you get all the support in the world.
Yeah, thank you.
Can you tell that people are looking better, feeling better?
Yeah, because it's better. I believe it's better to prevent something. You know, if my kid's gonna take bacon with eggs, I suggest no. Why don't you take a banana or a bottle of water instead of that? I know the bacon is delicious, but what is going to happen in the future with your health? That's why we encourage our customers to change the diet. I know it's a basic step, but we can do a step little by little. Little by little. And people see the campaign because we got a lot of signs put in our doors, and they ask for. And we let them know. We let them know what's going on.
So you don't have to go far anymore to go get healthy foods. You can just go right to the bodega. And you mentioned water. Water is so very important. I was sitting at a diner with a group of people, but I couldn't help but overhearing a couple of doctors at a table nearby. They were talking about, and I guess they were kidney doctors, because they said, if they only knew, all they had to do was drink water, and then they wouldn't have to come and see us. And, I said, and they said, Bob, you with our conversation here? I said, yeah. But I was pulled over to those doctors just by saying that. All they didn't need to do was drink water. They wouldn't have to come and see us.
Yes.
We know that, unfortunately, the Bronx has the highest rates of sugar-sweetened beverage consumption in New York City. And we have the highest rates of diabetes, too. We know that drinking sugar and other sweetened drinks is a big driver in obesity and diabetes and other diet-related diseases. So part of this campaign, again, we have nice, really beautiful visuals of different types of food you can get in the bodega, including that bottle of water.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wow, yeah.
And I would just add that, we created the campaign in collaboration with the community, so we made sure that it really resonated with young people, with their moms, their grandmothers, et cetera. So again, as Liz mentioned, the campaign is really vibrant. It's in English and Spanish. It showcases all the healthy options that are available, focused on snacks and drinks and sandwiches and salads and things like that. So
I like that.
yeah.
And a full dissemination is not just the print that you'll see in the stores, but also ads on bus shelters and sides of buses, the tail light ads on buses, the Link NYC kiosks that you see around the borough. So it's really sort of this media campaign, this large-scale media campaign.
Yeah, you should talk to Michael Max Nobby, too, and see if you can put maybe a 30-second spot
That'd be great.
on Bronxnet.
Please.
Yeah,
We'd love that.
Yeah,
Sure.
That'd be great.
yeah.
good
Hey,
idea.
Mike, you listening?
Thank you.
Yeah.
So is there a website that you guys have that we can go to?
You can go to Bronx Health Reach's website. There's more information there that we can share with everyone about the website.
Great. All right. Anything else we should know at Montefiore? Some of the things that you guys are doing? Any initiatives?
I think that this has been an important piece of our healthy store work and our healthy food work. Generally, we're committed to increasing access and availability of healthy food because we know that, taking your medicine is just one piece of, and going to the doctor is just one piece of being a healthy person. But in reality, where we live and play and work really makes it a huge impact, probably the biggest impact on our health.
Yeah.
And so we have to work with folks, not just at the patient-to-patient level, but also in their families and communities, and of course the wider borough to make those changes so that folks can be as happy and healthy as they can be.
David, you look like you played sports and everything growing up.
No,
What would you like to see?
I eat good health. If you follow my diet is good.
Yeah.
Before, 1 year ago, I was different.
Oh,
Totally different.
You made a complete
I
turnaround.
cannot show you in the camera, but I can show you privately.
Oh, really?
It's way different. Yeah, because I changed my diet.
Uh-huh.
That's how it is. Change my diet to prevent something.
Yeah.
That's
And
what
type 2 diabetes doesn't have to happen, and some of the other degenerative diseases. Because I think we're eating foods that are overworking the your organs to produce more insulin. I think we're draining our body. It's like a sponge. You're draining your body of all this insulin due to the foods that we're eating.
Yeah.
So if you help it out with the foods,
Right.
you can keep most of that insulin in that sponge a lot longer and let it work when it's supposed to work.
And I,
Am I making any sense
Yes.
with that?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it is.
definitely,
It is. That's how it is.
yeah.
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 I think it's all about awareness, in a lot of ways. And there's more sugar in our foods now than there ever has been, added sugar. And I think teaching people about how to read food labels, right, to understand the amount of sugar that they're consuming. It's not just the amount of sugar you're putting in your coffee, it's actually what's in everything you're eating and drinking. It's really important.
So what's some of the foods that we should stay away from? I mean, the starch turns into sugar too, so the breads and potatoes and
Yeah, and I would just,
pizza,
I'd say, I just add that.
sodas.
All the
Yeah.
good things.
Yeah, I think that the amazing thing in this effort is that the store owners have made a strong commitment to providing healthier options.
Yeah.
And again, they're not radically changing what they're offering. They're just looking at the snacks, looking at sandwiches, drinks, et cetera, to make them healthier. And so again, this campaign is really a commitment to the store owners who've taken that risk to sell these healthier options, to say, we support you, we want this healthier food. And again, I think in the community, people do want healthier options. It's just making sure they know about where to get them and that they're affordable. And so again, the Bodega Association and all the store owners we've worked with have really been amazing and really, again, sort of meeting us halfway. And so this is our commitment to them to say, again, we're going to make sure that people come there, that they buy the things, you can stay open, and the healthy options will be available in the community.
David, Emma, Liz, thank you guys so much for coming together and
Thank you.
helping to
Thank
keep
you for
our
the invitation.
communities a lot healthier.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much. We love you.
Thanks for having us.
Come back again, okay?
Thank you.
I'll take a quick break right here, but man, Bobby C has the latest in the world of sports coming up next. Hey, it's going to be nice.